Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, unscrew and remove bottom base. Then unplug battery connector. Now unscrew and remove battery. Now unscrew and remove wireless bracket. Then disconnect antenna cables and remove wireless card. Next, unscrew and remove display assembly. Next, pry open and separate LCD screen from back. Then disconnect LCD sensor board. Then unscrew and remove circuit board. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.